Hi, I'm Mark Feldman, General Manager of Reeds Jenss in Orchard Park. Welcome to our store. We have been serving the Western New York area since 1912 and have been giving the Southtowns incredible service for over 3 generations. We are proud to be the exclusive providers of Ippolita, Freida Rothman, Lagos, and the Forevermark brand of diamonds to Western New York. We also carry Heuer, Movado, and Bulova timepieces. But it's not the designers we carry that make us special, it's our people. At Reeds Jenss, we are committed to providing nothing but the best customer experience. It is our goal to make you as comfortable as possible and to provide you with expert product knowledge and service no matter the reason for your visit. Our seasoned GIA Certified associates are non-commissions and always strive to provide you with the jewelry that is right for you, and we won't try to push you in the wrong direction. Our owner travels the world to hand select each and every diamond we have in our cases. We may go through 100 diamonds to find the one that meets our rigorous standards. We know you will find the perfect diamond for you in our beautiful assortment of engagement rings and other diamond jewelry. And also, our engagement ring prices rival the internet. We have our own in-house custom design department that can create almost any style that you can imagine. We work closely with our customers each step of the way to ensure that you are receiving exactly what you envisioned. Our in-house jeweler has over 30 years of experience and can do amazing work on your most precious jewelry. We also have 2 in-house watchmakers that can service most brands. We offer up to 60-month financing and have several credit options to help you with those important purchases. If you have never been to Reeds Jenss in Orchard Park, I invite you to stop in and say hello. We would love to show you the Reeds difference so you can see for yourself why we have been entrusted in the area since 1912. Thank you.